Morgan,
Mhm.
what are you eating?
Cupcake.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Why are you eating a cupcake? What did we get the cupcakes for?
From the store.
Yeah, but why'd we get them?
Because we paid for them.
We did pay for them. Whose birthday is it?
Me.
It's not your birthday. Whose birthday is today?
Daddy.
Yeah, Morgan, look at Mommy. Is it a good cupcake?
I'm making a little bit mess.
You are. You are making a little bit of a mess. Can you say? Is it good?